Hi everyone, my name is Caden, he, him, his pronouns, and I'm a senior this year at Ohio University. Self-care is about loving yourself first. It is about recharging your battery. It's about putting the mask on yourself before you can do it for anybody else. Because if you can't love yourself, then how in the hell are you going to love somebody else? Thank you, RuPaul. My first two are cooking and cleaning. I think cooking really helps you get all the ingredients and the flavors right and build some anticipation for your meal, and you get to make it perfect just the way you like. And cleaning, really creating a safe haven for yourself that is clutter-free. It helps relieve some of my anxiety and makes me feel like I'm being productive if I'm stuck in home since in quarantine. Skincare with acceptance is my third tip, my third favorite way. As you're doing your face skincare and applying lotion to your body, treat your body with acceptance and run over your imperfections or insecurities with kindness. And know that you are beautiful. Creating a safe haven in your room if you can. I have my room decorated with many, many plants because they bring me so much joy. And my room feels like a safe space for me when maybe everything in my outside world is chaotic. Another tip is to speak up when uncomfortable. You wouldn't want your friend to be in an uncomfortable situation. You wouldn't want your family to be in an uncomfortable situation. Why would you want to be in an uncomfortable situation? Fix that for yourself. Speak up. FaceTime friends or be able to call friends as you need to. Be in contact with them because one conversation can change your mood completely. Even just a few minutes talk with them can really validate your support in your relationship with them. And speaking of validating, validate yourself. Know that whatever you're going through in the moment, that you are enough and you are worthy and you have purpose and that you're beautiful, and we're all here for good reasons and to spread joy. My last tip is to meditate. It's like one of my favorite things because it really helps me be present and mindful and remember that any uncomfortable situation I'm in won't last forever, and really just pulls me to the present. Thank you.